Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another on-campus placement instructions, that is M3. Here we are going to see job role details software developer. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. M3 is commented to bridging the gap between the education output and industry needed by taking newly qualified graduates and putting them through the training programs. Okay, this is the thing intro of the job details, and the other details are location is Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad and New Delhi, and graduating year is 2025. Starting is 9 LPA. What you will do means, if it is successful, you will work with one of our clients as software developer, designing, building and testing and maintaining scalable and stable off the shelf application or custom built technologies. Participate and contribute to the entire implementation process for the new applications and enhancements to existing applications, and build and test applications, provide input on overall solution design and meet with business partners to understand business needs, conduct root cause analysis and implement basic performance tuning. Okay, what you need is degree in computer science, technology or related subjects. Academic aggregate should be more than 60%, and you should be good in programming, and competitive coding experience will be an advantage. Solid software engineering principles, data structures, OOPS concepts or designing patterns and multi-threading, and good troubleshooting and debugging skills. Strong understanding of Java. Okay, these are all plays a major role. Understanding the formal software development cycle and understanding the test driven development. Okay, how it works is, first you have to apply for the position and clear the first round of aptitude and coding test, and clear communication assessment, clear technical interview round and clear the final interview round. Get selected to join the training for 10 to 12 weeks. Clear the end of assessment, training assessment. Get selected for your placement in a job that more suits your competence. Okay, that is with the M3 details. Okay, if you are willing to write this exam, please focus on data structures, because it is for 9 LPA, right? It is 9 LPA and you are going to settle in these places, right? If you feel this video is informative, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you.